Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos. Sit right, all of you. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay. We are discussing about fractions addition. Unlike fractions addition. Okay. In today's class also we will discuss about fractions addition. Unlike fractions addition from exercise 5.10 second bit. Okay. Add the following and simplify. Here given mixed fractions. How to solve mixed fraction addition? Now I will explain, children. Listen carefully. Okay? On your videos and sit right, children. Exercise 5.10 second bit. Add the following and simplify. First one. What is first one? 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 5 whole 5 by 6. Okay? 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 5 whole 5 by 6. First what we do, children? First here given which fractions first we have to find out. Which these fractions are called 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 5 whole 5 by 6. Their whole number and proper fraction is there, each fraction. So these fractions are called 2 whole 1 by 3 comma 5 whole 5 by 6. These fractions are called Manisha, Vignesh, Hansini. Say, these fractions are called. Say anyone. Ayan. This type of fractions are called. Are you listening, children? Two whole 1 by 3, 5 whole 5 by 6, 9 whole 7 by 3, and 5 whole. Yes, very good. Rajput Manisha. Mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Whole number and proper fraction. Which fractions are contained? Whole number and proper fraction. Those fractions are called mixed fractions. So first we have to change into from mixed fractions to improper fractions. First we have to change into improper fraction. How to change improper fraction? Now I am explaining. Listen, children. First 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 5 whole 5 by 6. First given problem. First as it is write down. Next 2 whole 1 by 3, 5 whole 5 by 6 are mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. So we change into improper fractions. Improper fractions. Okay? How can we change into improper fractions? Listen. 2 whole 1 by 3. Whole number into denominator plus numerator. Whole number 2 into 3. Denominator plus numerator by denominator. Okay, 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3. Okay, this is improper fraction. 7 by 3 is improper fraction equal with 2 whole 1 by 3 are mixed fraction. Next mixed fraction also we have to change into improper fraction. 5 whole 5 by 6. 5 whole 5 by 6. 5 into 6. Okay. Here whole number into denominator. 5 into 6 plus 5 by 6. whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 by 6. These fractions are improper fraction sign, unlike fractions, because here denominators are different numbers are there. So these fractions are called unlike fractions and improper fractions also. 7 by 3 plus 35 by 6. Okay, these fractions are called unlike fractions. So we have to change into like fractions. 7 by 3, comma 35 by 6 are unlike fractions. Change into like fractions. What we do, children? When we change into like fractions, we have to take LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of 3 comma 6? LCM of 3 comma 6 is. Say children, what is the LCM? Without doing also we can say LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? Say anyone. Yes, very good. Alekia, 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 is common multiple of 3 and 6. And least common multiple of 3 and 6 also. So 6 is LCM. Yes, very good. Here 7 by 3 and 35 by 6 change into like fractions. How can we change denominator? You want 6. First 7 by 3. 7 by 3 plus 35 by 6. Here you want in denominator 6. How can we change into denominator 6? 3 2s are 6. Multiply by 2. Yes, is it correct or not? Pavan, 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. Here 7 into 2 by 3 into 2. Plus 35 by 6 as it is. Here no need to change in here this fraction because of here denominator 6 only have. That's why here no need to change. 35 by 6. Okay. Now 7 2s are 14 by 6 plus 35 by 6. These fractions are called like fractions because in denominators are same number have. That's why these fractions are called like fractions. So what we do, children? Just we have to add numerators. Simply we add numerators. Add 14 plus 35 by 6. Add children 14 plus 35. Yes, very good. 49 by 6. 49 by 6. 49 by 6 is which fraction? Improper fraction. We can change into mixed fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction? Do division. 49 divided by 6. 6 8 is 48. 1. 8 whole 1 by 6. Yes? 8 whole 1 by 6 is answer. Okay, children, did you understand? In before class, how can we add unlike fractions? Same as it is here also, same steps. But here given, here not given unlike fractions. Just here given first mixed fractions. These mixed fractions first we have to change into improper fraction. After we have to change into like fractions. After we have to add the numerators. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? Okay, understand. Very good. Write down. One more problem I will explain. Right, children? Next, 11th one. Completed picture. Okay. What is 11th one? 3 whole 2 by 5 plus 7 whole 3 by 15, 2 whole 1 by 3. Before what I explained, did you understand, children? Perfectly. Who is understand? First raise your hand. I will ask to the student only. I will do unmute. Can you say? Yes, very good, Vignesh. Okay. Now you say, boy. Now I will write on the board. Okay? Are you ready, boy? Vignesh? Vignesh? Anybody? Manisha? Are you ready? Ah, okay. Good. In your mobile also, keep it unmute, Amma. Manish. Where are you, girl? Rajput. Ah, okay. Okay, first these fractions are called, Manisha, say loudly. Once again, say. Say loudly.
Why not?
3 whole 2 by 5 plus 7 whole 3 by 15 plus 2 whole 1 by 3. Fractions are called. Say fast, ma. Rajput, Manisha. Okay, Vignesh. Say what? Vignesh, in your mobile, keep it unmute, ma. Vignesh. Okay, these fractions are called mixed fractions. 3 whole 2 by 5 plus 7 whole 3 by 15 plus 2 whole 1 by 3. 3 whole 2 by 5, comma 7 whole 3 by 15, comma 2 whole 1 by 3 are mixed fractions. If you want to say, you raise your hand, children. I will ask you. S. Vishnu also. S. Vishnu, Ayan, Manichandana. Once in your mobile, raise your hand. I will ask to the children only. Okay, listen. Mixed fractions. So we have to change into improper fractions. plus 2 by 5. What is the improper fraction? Say anyone. 3 into 5 plus 2 by 5. Yes, very good. 17 by 5. Vignesh. Good boy. Okay, next fraction. 7 whole 3 by 15. 7 into 15 plus 3 by 15. Say anyone. 15 sevens are what? And add the 3 by 15. 105 plus 3. Yes, 7 15s are 105 only. 15 sevens are 105 plus 3. Yes, 108 by 15. 108 by 15. Okay, next fraction also change into improper fraction. What is next fraction? 2 whole 1 by 3. 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3. Say fast. 2 into 3 plus 1. Yes, 7 by 3. Very good boy. 7 by 3. Next. 17 by 5 plus 108 by 15 plus 7 by 3. These fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, these fractions are unlike fractions because of here denominator 5, here 15, here 3. So different denominators are there. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. We have to change into like fractions. What we do? Take LCM. LCM of 5, 15, 3. What is the LCM? Without do also we can say LCM. What is the LCM, children? Say what is the LCM of 5, 15 and 3? Yes, very good, 15. 5 common multiple is 15. 15 common multiple is 15. 3 common multiple is 15. So, least common multiple is 15 only. That's why LCM is 15. Now, here change into LCM. 17 by 5 plus 108 by 15 plus 7 by 3. Change, children. Here 5 is there. You have to change it to 15. We have to multiply by which number? Here 5 is there. You want 15. What do you do? Manichandana? Here 5 is there. In denominator 5 is there. Okay? You want here 15. What do you do? 5 3s are 15. Very good. Multiply by 3. Not only in denominator, in numerator also. 17 into 3 by 5 into 3. Next fraction no need to change because of 108 by 15 only have. Next fraction. Here 3 is there. In denominator 3 is there. So you change into 15. What do you do? You multiply by which number? Say fast. Yes, 5. Very good. 3 5s are 15. 7 into 5 by 3 into 5. Which fractions? 17 3s are 51. 51 by 15 plus 108 by 15 plus 7 5s are 35. 35 by 15. Now these fractions are like fractions. These fractions are like fractions because in denominator 15, 15, 15 have. That's why these fractions are mixed like fractions. So add the numerators, children. 51 plus 108 plus 35 by 15. Add these numbers. Add these number signs, say the answer. 108 plus 51. 159. 159 plus 35. 159 plus 35. What is the answer? Make it fast. Do you know addition? Huh? Okay. Do and say. Manichandana. Do fast and say. Don't eat, girl. 294 is wrong. 294 is wrong. No, not 294. Once again add, girl. Manisha, add properly. Very good. Zveria, listening classes. Zveria, look at the board. Very good, Zveria. Yes, very good. 194. 194. 194 by 15. Okay. Now do the division. We can change into mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. Okay, this is improper fraction. Denominator smallest number is there. In numerator biggest number is there. So these fractions are called improper fraction. Improper fraction. Then we have to change into mixed fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction? Just we have to do division. Do division. 194 divided by 15. Divided by 15. Yes, very good. 15 ones are 15. Next. 15 twos are 30. 15 twos are 30. 1. 11 wrong. 12, very good. 12 whole 14 by 15. 12 whole 14 by 15 is answer. Okay, 12 whole 14 by 15 is answer. Okay, once again I will explain. Listen children, first here given fractions, which fractions first you have to think. First here given fractions are mixed fractions. Stop the writing and listen, Amma. I will send it. Varshita, Vandana, Manichandana. Listen to me first. Okay, first of all, these fractions are which fractions? First we have to think. These fractions are called mixed fractions. Right? These fractions are mixed fractions. Next, what we do? Mixed fractions given, we have to change into improper fraction. Unlike fractions given to, we have to change into like fractions. First here mixed fractions are good. So we have to change into improper fractions. Next what we do? Improper fractions. How can we change? First mixed fraction. 3 whole 2 by 5. 3 into 5 plus 2 by 5. 17 by 5. Okay. These are improper fractions. 3 whole 2 by 5 equals 17 by 5. 7 whole 3 by 15 equal to 108 by 15. 2 whole 1 by 3 equal to 7 by 3. These are improper fractions. 17 by 5 plus 108 by 15 plus 7 by 3. These fractions are improper fractions and unlike fractions also. Because of its denominators different are there. So these fractions are called unlike fractions also. So we have to change into like fractions. How can we change into like fractions? Take LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of denominators? 5, 15, 3. What is the LCM? 15 only. Because in 5 table 15 will come and 3 table 15 will come. And least common multiple is 15. So what is the LCM? 15. Now given fractions we change into like fractions. Like fractions. So denominator here 15 want to. Because of 15 is LCM. That's why. Here 15 and here 15 and here 15. But in middle fraction I already have 15. So remaining fractions we have to change into like fractions. How can we change? Multiply by 3, then multiply by 5. 17 3s are 51 by 15. Next 108 by 15 plus 35 by 15. Okay. Then these fractions are like fractions. Now add the numerators. Just we add the numerators. Denominators are 15, 15, 15. So common 15 write down. Add 15, 51 plus 108, 159. 159 plus 35. 194. 194 by 15. So 194 by 15 is which fraction? Improper fraction. Then we change into mixed fraction. 12 whole 14 by 15. 12 whole 14 by 15 is answer. Did you understand, children? 15 problems are there. In second bit, in your textbook second bit, 15 problems are there. So try to your own. Then if you have any doubt, you call me. In tomorrow class, I will explain that problem. I hope you did not write homework. But I am giving homework, you not writing. Because of anybody not sending to me. From 4th class. Next, no, from 5th class, 3rd class, they are sending homeworks. But I am giving homework. But 4th class children not responding. So what I am giving homework, you write and send me, children. Okay, you understand? I hope you understand. But you not writing homework. What use, children? That is. So first what I am explaining, listen and write this one. And after what I am giving homework also, you complete in your C notes and send me. Then if you have any doubt, you call me. I will clarify your doubts in next class also. Okay? Did you understand, children? Mixed fractions addition. In today's class, I explained mixed fractions addition. I hope you understand. Okay, in tomorrow class, I will explain unlike fractions subtraction. Okay, mixed fraction subtraction also. In tomorrow class, I will explain. Okay, thank you, children.